Listings day, 3rd of October 2024, a 2018 Ford Transit Connect long wheelbase day van camper. Excellent condition, mechanically superb, gearbox, no issues, new brakes. There looks to have been well maintained basically by the previous owner. The pads and discs look brand new, the tyres look good. All of that's done within the last few thousand miles. I've fitted side windows, rear windows, so the passenger sliding door, side window in that. Just black and clear coat on the wheels at the moment. You could put wheel trims on, alloys, rogue alloys, anything. I just didn't want to lose the tyres basically. The tyres look new, so I've stuck with it on this build. I'll get onto the interior of the cab and then do photographs and video of the rear for the Auto Trader and eBay listing. It's a quick video of the van running. Starts first turn of the key, no warning lights apart from low fuel, which will come on. Just give that a second to go off. When the vehicle's collected or delivered, I'll leave over a quarter of a tank, if not more. Does my head in running round or picking them up with no fuel in. You can see the mileage there. Yeah, no warning lights, there never has been. Runs perfect, runs and drives. Actually, they run like a Focus, and this one's as quiet as one with all of the insulation. So yeah, really nice light controls. So yeah, tidy cab, very tidy for a van actually. One tiny little mark on the seat there, very light bolster wear, just the usual foam compression. Door cards good, everything good, nothing really worth pointing out. Yeah, general wear and tear. Was it 5.5 years old maybe now? You got nice storage up there, you got the storage there with the 12 volts. You can see there I've carpeted it. Gone across, took the bulkhead out basically, put a piece there. It's all on my previous videos. You've got the usual upper storage here. Yeah, all good. So I'll move on to the interior build. Just to point out the security, you've got the usual Ford locks, immobiliser, etc. And the two here, one on the rear door and one on the side door. They're by a company called L4V, and they'll keep the pond life at bay. Okay, to the inside of the van. I have a few past videos on this build, however I'll go through it again. Pine clad ceiling there, it's insulated underneath. You've got the there's a remote here, you've got the 3 LED lights. That's got its own hanger there, that can be moved, put anywhere. Fully carpeted 4-way stretch carpet. I've done a thing at the front there where the bulkhead was removed. That's all neatly done there. You can put a bar across there. I've done on a few curtains, separate the sort of living area to the cab. Same again with the windows, fitted windows on the driver's and passenger side and on the rear. These are really good, you can see out of them no problem, but they're a really good tint, look really good on a black van. So yeah, and the vinyl floor there, leaving the hole there for get the spare wheel out. So included, all this is new and still in its own packaging, which I shall put it all back in its packaging once I've done this video. You got a self-inflating mattress which you can add air to, or out, normally in, to be honest. These are good. I've slept on these. I mean, basically this is the setup I use. I build camper vans, but keep it simple. And the old X-frame cot bed there. Storage on the side. There's a plastic collapsing container there. That's could be used for anything but food, I guess. And the table, that's adjustable. It'll go, there's legs clicked underneath, it'll go another sort of 20-30 centimetres. And the gas burner there, there's no gas with this, you just basically connect it into the side there. Twin burner and a grill. Obviously with this setup you'll need a door open if you're cooking. And the seat I've made up there, so you can imagine the bed down, you've got a seat to cook on, and that could also be used as a table. The storage area there. So I'll just go to the side door and show you what I've put under the seat. Okay, under the seat again, new Thetford 145 porta potty cassette toilet. And that piece is inside. Basically these split. You carry the bottom, empty it, put it back. Another essential in any van, I think. So yeah, there's the seat I've made. That goes back on top, multi-use. And that's with the cover back on. So this lot packs away to the front there. The bed would even go underneath the lip in the cab there. So a multi-use van. Nice simple idea, I think. Yeah, you could take this out and use it as a business vehicle. You could run any business from this, and when you're off away, they're excellent on fuel. High 60s the gallon I've had out of this. It's okay, summarise with the vehicle. One owner from new. The pads and discs are almost new. The tyres are almost new, and it runs absolutely perfect. No issues whatsoever. Really good on fuel. And I can add a 6-month warranty with this vehicle and free UK mainland delivery. So yeah, that's just about it. It's a nice build. Thanks for watching.